It's me, Mario!
Oh, hell no!
Do you want to be friends?
Yo! Get your hand off my penis! Back off, you spooky bitch!